Let me show you around TinkerCAD. So when you go into TinkerCAD, this is your main page. If you click on the top left where you see TinkerCAD logo, it's going to take you to this page where it says My Recent Designs. And you're going to start off by not having any recent designs. But this is how you get to your home page anytime you need to get here. And then just to show you a couple of parts of this page, your username is right over here, and you might upload a picture. That's up to you. Obviously, I did not. So my username is Leslie_Williams. To create a new design, you click on the button Create New Design. If you'd like to go into a design that you already have and edit it or print it, you can just click on any of these designs. Now, if you come up here, you can find a gallery. And the gallery has all kinds of 3D objects that have been created by other users. And you can search this for anything that you're looking for. So notice that at the top, you have some that are here by default, but you can come up to this search field and type in either a user's name. You'll see a lot of users' names that I've typed in, or a topic. So let's say I put in Rose. If I click on search, it takes a minute because this is web-based, but it's going to start off by showing me all the usernames that have Rose in them. If you scroll beneath that, you'll then see objects that have Rose as part of their names as well. So this allows you to search for either a user or for a particular 3D object. And then since anything you see here is public, so once you click on one of these, it will show up, and then you can click on Copy and Tinker. And if you do that, it puts it into your gallery with all of your personal 3D objects, and you can then tweak it or print it or whatever you want to do with it. If you don't want to keep it, you can click on the X. So notice that since I said to copy it and work on it, it's coming up. Again, this takes a couple of minutes. As the file loads, you may notice all kinds of things happening. So this was actually a very complicated 3D object to create, and that's why you see all this stuff going on as it's loading. And now we see our roses. You'll notice up here in the top left, this is now called Copy of Rose, and you can click there to rename this whatever you'd like it to be called. So I might call it Rose by Leslie. And then come in here and make some modifications to it or print it as is. Since I was typing up here, I'm going to hit enter to get out. Now I'm going to click back on TinkerCAD, and that will take me back to my own personal gallery or my home page. And it shows all my recent designs, and you'll see Rose by Leslie there. So the community just has blog, a help center, what's new. Learn is a really important place to go. You don't really need to go to teach, but if you go to learn, this is where you can get different kinds of activities to play with. So if you scroll down, you'll see step-by-step lessons, and you have the basics. And these 6 activities take you through understanding the basics. And then there's some projects that take you step-by-step through how to use TinkerCAD. You can click on See More Projects, and there's tons of projects to play with that will help you to get better at using TinkerCAD. So this is the interface or how to interact with TinkerCAD.